Insta360 GO 3S. The 4K tiny titan that shoots hands-free magic anywhere. Ever wished you had a personal videographer capturing your best moments? Meet the Insta360 GO 3S, a thumb-sized 4K powerhouse that sticks, clips, and mounts anywhere, so you can live in the moment and still get the shot. Whether you're vlogging, skydiving, or strapping it to your pet for a wild POV, this 39 grams featherweight beast delivers crystal clear footage with zero effort. Say goodbye to bulky, awkward action cams. This one's so small, you'll forget it's even there, until you see the mind-blowing footage. No hands, no stress, just cinematic magic. Forget shaky, distorted footage. The GO 3S's next-gen MegaView FOV keeps every shot clean, crisp, and edge-to-edge perfect, none of that stretched fisheye nonsense. Paired with gimbal-like FlowState Stabilization, you'll get buttery smooth footage, even while running, jumping, or flipping upside down. Need perfectly level horizon shots? Locked and loaded. Whether you're biking down a mountain or vlogging on the go, this camera erases bumps, shakes, and stutters, so every frame looks like it was shot by a pro. No gimbal? No problem. From underwater adventures, up to 10 meters deep, to high-speed action, the GO 3S is built to keep up with your wildest ideas. The Action Pod's 2.2-inch flip screen lets you frame shots like a boss, while its 140-minute battery life means more filming, less charging. Need to film from insane angles? The magnetic mounting system lets you stick it on helmets, cars, walls, or even your dog for a pet's eye view. Try doing that with a clunky DSLR. Wherever life takes you, GO 3S goes with you. Hate spending hours editing? Let AI do it for you. The auto-editing feature finds your best clips, syncs them to music, and stitches together flawless, social-ready content in seconds. Want to switch from horizontal to vertical for TikTok? Just twist the camera, and boom, instant aspect ratio change. Plus, with voice and gesture controls, you can snap shots without ever touching the camera. Who needs a film crew when you have GO 3S and AI working together? Why lug around bulky, overpriced gear when you can get pro-level 4K footage from something the size of your thumb? The Insta360 GO 3S outshines the competition with double the pixels of 2.7K cams, mind-blowing stabilization, and tech-packed convenience in an ultra-portable package. Whether you're a content creator, an adrenaline junkie, or just someone who loves effortless, high-quality memories, this is the camera of the future. Ditch the heavy gear, grab the GO 3S and start capturing life the way it was meant to be seen.